Hello guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well and everything is okay. So today we are going to win another $1,000. Please, I won't tell you subscribe and like without seeing the previous videos. Go back to the older videos, and see our winning rate and see how accurate are we. So please see them and think, well, if we deserve your subscribe and like button or not. Okay? I don't make a lot of editing videos and a lot of sponsors and advertisements. I go directly to the point and give you the hints and tips. Okay, so let's start the video. The first match, Bologna versus Shakhtar Donetsk. This match is going to be double chance. Either Bologna will or the draw. Okay. The second match is Club Brugge versus Borussia Dortmund. Borussia will win the match. And also Manchester City versus Internazionale Milano. City will win. Paris Saint-Germain versus Girona. Paris Saint-Germain will of course win the match. Celtic versus Slovan Bratislava. Celtic will score at least 1.5 goals, which means 2 goals or even higher. Okay. The sixth match in the Russian Cup, Akron Tolyatti versus Fakil Voronezh. This match is going to be like this. The first team will either win or draw the match. The seventh match is Moscow versus Krasnodar. CSKA Moscow will win the match. And Brighton versus Wolverhampton. Wolverhampton will score at least 1 goal. And the ninth match is Ajax versus Fortuna Sittard. Ajax will win the match. These 9 matches are like this. Okay, I will give you another video, stay tuned. And if you play these matches, win $150, you will get 10,844.87. Okay, take care of yourselves, see you later, and even maybe more. Okay, take care of yourselves, see you later, and thank you.